Staff augmentation sounds great, but is it the right choice for you? Let's clear the most common questions asked by business leaders to us. Hi, I'm Bala Vishnu, founder and CEO of Techno Tackle Software Solutions. I have over a decade of experience in running an IT company and have worked nearly 5 years in staff augmentation. Today, I have Anantu, HR manager of a growing software product company with me here. He'll be asking some of the most frequently asked questions about staff augmentation, and I will share my insights. Let's dive in without any further ado.
So when should I choose for staff augmentation and when should I go for permanent hire?
That's a great question, Anantu. It depends on your hiring timeline and your project needs. Choose permanent hiring when you are building a core team and have consistent and long-term work at least for 2 to 3 years. If you have a lead time for hiring for at least 1 to 3 plus months, which is typically the time it takes to hire plus the notice period which the guy has to serve and come, that time permanent hiring makes more sense. Choose staff augmentation when you need skilled developers quickly for immediate projects and scaling up or handling existing workload spikes. We provide pre-vetted talents in under a week, which is impossible in traditional hiring. With staff augmentation, you get the right talent at the right time without the burden of long hiring cycles or long-term commitment.
Will the cost of staff augmentation be the same as permanent hiring?
Not necessarily. At first glance, staff augmentation might seem costlier, but let's break it down today. Permanent hiring includes salaries, benefits, taxes, onboarding costs, and the risk of underutilization. Even if your work slows down, you have to pay for full-time employees, which affects your net profit. But with staff augmentation, you only pay for the work you did after the project is over. You can release the resource, preventing them from becoming a long-term liability to your company. This keeps your cost optimized and protects your long-term profitability. Considering these benefits, even though the monthly cost in staff augmentation may be higher, in the long run, it becomes more profitable for the right use case.
How you are able to source resources less than a week when our HR says hiring takes 2 to 3 months? What's your secret sauce?
The magic is of our unique model. Unlike traditional hiring, where HR teams start looking for candidate only after the requirement arises, we have a pre-vetted talent pool available ready to be deployed. And we have another unique advantage. We don't just tap into the open market. We map bench resources of other IT services companies. So though they provide skilled professionals who are immediately available, allowing us to fill the positions in within a week's time. This means that you get high quality talent fast without compromising on skill and reliability.
If hiring is this fast, how do you ensure quality?
That's a great question. Speed doesn't compromise quality. Here is how we ensure that you get top tier developers. Number one, multi-level vetting. We pre-screen developers through technical assessments, coding challenges, and project-based tests to ensure they meet high-quality standards. Number two, your final approval. Before hiring, you conduct the final interview to check if the candidate fits your tech stack, work style, or the project needs. This ensures you get the perfect match for your project. Number three, expert backup support. If the developer we provided hits a roadblock in the middle of a project, our senior engineer steps in to assess, ensuring smooth execution without delays, and this is done without any additional charges. Number four, quick replacement guarantee. If a developer doesn't meet your expectation, then we provide a quick replacement without any additional cost. This ensures that you always have the right resource without project delays.
Is staff augmentation just another name for outsourcing?
Not really. Staff augmentation is different from traditional outsourcing. In outsourcing, you hand over the entire project to an external team and they manage everything. In staff augmentation, the developers work as a part of your existing team, following your process, your tools, and your culture. You retain the full control over the development while getting the flexibility of an external expertise. This is like combining best of both the worlds. So if you need complete control and you still want on-demand skilled developers, staff augmentation is the way to go.
What kind of resources can I get in staff augmentation?
You get a wide range of skilled professionals depending on your needs. It varies from, say, developers, front end, back end, full stack, mobile, DevOps, etc. UI UX designers to help create seamless user experiences, QA engineers, manual and automation testing experts, business analysts and project managers to ensure a streamlined development. Basically, any IT skill you need, we can provide.
Great insights, Bala Vishnu. This really clears up how staff augmentation works. I will discuss with the team and get back with the list of developers we can augment. Thank you.
That sounds great, Anantu. Once you finalize your requirements, we can provide a shortlisted set of developers available to be deployed within 24 to 48 hours. Looking forward to working with you together. If you have any more questions about staff augmentation, drop them in the comments. Or if you're ready to get started, call the number above and we can explore how we can work together. Let's build something amazing together. Subscribe for more such videos. See you in my next video.